Hey everyone, I'm Whitney. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, please do not be alarmed by the blue lipstick. Also, if you are a returning subscriber, please do not be alarmed by the blue lipstick. There is a reason to the madness. The reason I am wearing this blue lipstick is actually in honor of Jeffree Star Cosmetics Blue Blood palette. Yay! Jeffree Star only sells his stuff at Jeffree Star Cosmetics, Beautylish, and Morphe. I decided to do some price comparisons. They are all $52. However, go to checkout, 2 of them add shipping charges. I went with the Beautylish. I got free shipping.
And there we got a free sample, and I'm guessing this is our invoice. Oh, and they wrapped it like a little gift.
I thought that the entire packaging from Beautylish was just gorgeous. They just did a phenomenal job with it. I am just so impressed. I've really never had a company go out that much. The Beautylish company did a great job at making me feel very special. I have never ordered from Beautylish before, so I don't know if that's just because it was a Jeffree Star product and maybe that's how Jeffree has them package all of his products, or if that was just something that Beautylish does.
Even the packaging it comes in is super cute.
I've never seen any type of casing like this. It like inspires me to be creative and out there. And it does have a really nice mirror with it. Now this eyeshadow palette is actually fairly heavy. I mean, it is kind of bulky. I think these stencils that they pressed into the palettes, I think they're so cool. I just think it really adds a nice touch to it. It adds even more detail. I think it makes it more personal. This packaging is, oddly enough, a coffin. Oh my gosh. Sorry, I just realized something. Wow. If you, this is so bad. Oh my God, I don't even know if all right, I'm just gonna go ahead and say it. Okay, you all know we have little pets, right? Come on, just say it. God, I look like, I mean, it's hard to take me seriously with this blue lipstick, am I right? So let's just say you have, oh my God, I don't want to play this scenario out. Nobody wants to play this scenario out, but things happen. Bad things happen. Our pets move on to the next life. And, you know, when they do, we have to go about, you know, it's like, it's so bad, like I can't even say it. I don't know, we just weren't really supposed to talk about, yeah. It's really weird talking about it on camera. God, it's still so hard to say. Okay. Oh my God, no, I don't want to put the picture in somebody's head. We'll say if your little itty bitty pet friend moves on to the next life. I mean, not saying that I'm saying I mean, it's inevitable. We're all gonna go to the next life someday. But when you're... All right, no, let's try it this way. Let's say you're walking to the store, okay? On your way to the store, you so sadly stumble upon, well, not really like stumble upon, but sorry, this lipstick is like, yeah, it's all, oh my god. Okay, wait, but why would you pick it? Man, I'm just not doing a very good job with this. Okay, I was gonna say if you stumble along a little critter, you know, a little itty bitty ground squirrel or chipmunk or whatever, or maybe you had a little fish and I don't know, something bad happens and well, you don't wanna flush Fluffy down the toilet, so you honor him by putting him in this. I mean, obviously you're not gonna, I mean, I guess you could keep, I mean, to each their own, but I would probably honor them in putting them in this because it's so cute and it would just be so respectful and nice, and I would obviously take out the eyeshadows. It would probably have to be for like a fish. Actually, I don't think much would fit in here. I mean, you'd have to kind of cut out the encasing of the mirror too. I don't know, I might, but I don't know, it'd just be a good way to honor them in something so pretty and nice. Whew. Oh my gosh. My god, why did I get a palette themed of death? That's horrible. We're not, oh my god. Okay, I think I'm thinking way too much into this. I don't know, irregardless, let's just keep going. Okay, so it's got these cute little clasps. See if the camera will focus. Focus on me, focus on me. It's got those cute little clasps. Help me! What's up, guys? Welcome to Whitney's YouTube channel. She's crazy. Yeah, you guys, I really need to catch up on sleep. Woo! Adorable. The packaging, love it. Normally I don't go for blue eyeshadows and there aren't really too many blue eyeshadow palettes out there. So I thought, what the heck? I haven't tried Jeffree Star Cosmetics eyeshadows, so why not? Why not get a blue one? Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. Perfect timing, my battery's dying.